Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
The DOM shows live buy and sell liquidity by price level, updated in real time. It displays a vertical ladder of prices with bid sizes on the left and ask sizes on the right, letting you read supply and demand instantly. You can view up to 50 price levels and 100 total orders in each column, which helps gauge short-term pressure. Depth is shown in contract counts, not dollar value, so interpret numbers as contracts or shares. Use color shading to see cumulative size and recent changes over the last few seconds. Click a bid or ask to pre-fill an order ticket with price and size, then adjust quantity or price before sending. You can set quantity in contracts, for example 5 contracts or 10 shares, and choose the side to buy or sell. Use market, limit, and stop orders. The DOM supports one-click execution with confirmation off for fast entry, or require confirmation to avoid fat finger errors. Remember to set default order duration like day or GTC, and a max slippage tolerance in ticks. Use iceberg and iceberg detection to split large orders into 10 to 50 hidden slices so you avoid signaling size to the market. Monitor order flow and time and sales alongside the DOM. Use the prints to confirm executed trades and delta changes in 1-second intervals to detect momentum shifts. Adjust price step to 0, 5, 0, 1, or 0, 0, 1 to match instrument tick size and avoid mispricing orders. Finally, practice using simulated mode for 30 to 60 minutes before trading live to learn latency and slippage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.